How to fix music fail to play tracks error in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and then search here music app. Now click on music and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Now search here Power RAM. Now click on it and then click on Power RAM. First of all, install this Power RAM app. After install this Power app, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press the power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.